In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pass the AI detectors with your AI written text. So this is a really helpful video for you. So for example, your teachers can't bust you with AI written text or whatever. So Google won't know either. So let's just go ahead and get started. Definitely make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. But now let's get right into this. So first what we want to go and do is go on to ChatGPT. And now that we are on ChatGPT, let's just let it write an article. So let's just say, write an article. Now it will write an article for us. Okay, so now it has written a complete article for us. And this is a really great. So now I'm just going to copy this. And we are going to look at the GPT-0 for AI detection checker and also another AI detection checker, and then we're going to analyze this. So now we are going to see how much of this is written by AI. Unfortunately, we have to just get rid of some text right here, but now we can analyze it. And as you guys can see, it's 2% human generated content only, and here it is completely yellow, so it's completely written with AI, it says. Now we are going to use this and make it undetectable for these detectors. So let's just copy this text and then say something as following. So this is what we are going to do. Act as a professional writer and write an article that is not typical for AI and can be detected by AI detectors with good amounts of burstiness and perplexity. Use this text. And then we're just going to copy our original text into this, and then we are going to click enter. Now it will rewrite this whole text in a way that is not detectable by AI. So this is really great. So now we will just have to wait a second. So now it has finished writing the text, as you guys can see here. And now we can again copy this and try it out in the AI detectors. So now we are going to go into this ChatGPT-0 and just get rid of this text and then just click and copy our text into this. And the same thing with this other AI detector, where we are just going to copy it into this one right here. And now, as you guys can see, I popped the text into here, and this detector says it is completely human written. So this is really great. So as you guys can see, now we go on the next page and it is completely human generated. So this is great. I told him to add some spelling mistakes too. So with that, you will get around the ChatGPT detectors. So which is really important to put in this kind of prompt to get these results. And when you do that, you won't be flagged down by any AI detectors. So this is really helpful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. And if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.